Are you looking for an affordable, yet powerful laptop for work, study, or entertainment? Meet the Lenovo V-Series V15, a budget-friendly powerhouse. Packed with 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD, and a stunning 15.6-inch Full HD display. In today's video, we'll take an in-depth look at its design, performance, and features to help you decide if it's the right fit for you. Let's dive in. Right out of the box, the Lenovo V15 comes in a sleek black finish that looks professional and modern. The build quality is solid, and despite being lightweight, it feels durable. You get a 15.6-inch Full HD display, which provides sharp and vibrant visuals. The bezels are reasonably thin, giving you a great viewing experience, whether you're working or streaming your favorite shows. Under the hood, the Lenovo V15 is powered by an Intel Celeron Dual Core Processor, which, when combined with 16GB RAM, ensures smooth multitasking. You can easily switch between apps, browse the web, and even do some light gaming. With a 1TB SSD, you get fast boot times and ample storage for all your files, projects, and media. Plus, Windows 11 Home provides a sleek and user-friendly interface, making navigation seamless. In terms of connectivity, the Lenovo V15 doesn't disappoint. It includes HDMI, multiple USB ports, a headphone jack, and Wi-Fi support. Whether you need to connect to an external display or transfer files quickly, this laptop has you covered. Bonus alert! This bundle includes the Thunderobot Purple Wireless Mouse, offering smooth navigation and a stylish look to match your setup. Battery life is crucial for any laptop user. The Lenovo V15 provides up to 6 to 7 hours of battery life, depending on usage. It's perfect for students, professionals, or anyone on the go. Users love its smooth performance, lightweight build, and affordability. It's a fantastic choice for those looking for a budget-friendly, yet reliable laptop. So, is the Lenovo V-Series V15 worth it? Absolutely! For its price, you're getting a Full HD display, solid performance, ample storage, and a bonus wireless mouse. If you need a laptop for work, study, or casual use, this one's a great pick. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Drop a comment below. Would you buy the Lenovo V15? Let us know.